insist on holding the camera when I have a shaky hand, no arm strength, and I talk a lot? Let's think that through. I couldn't stop doing the Love Island accent if a gun was to my head. I would probably accidentally say, "Nar." Anyway, sore. Oh my God. Let's start over. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing a life admin day. Have been in this horrendous slump. Nothing's getting done. I have all these ambitions, all these ideas, all these things I want to do, and I just can't do anything. Nothing's coming to fruition for me right now. I'm in this like low state, low vibrational, if you want to call it. Hate it. Been so negative. Hate, super hate, loathe entirely. Do you know what I'm saying? Sore. Damn it, I thought we passed that. I am finally getting my wisdom teeth out the day after Christmas, or the day after Christmas, because I couldn't wait any longer. I have been getting sinus headaches, like the bad ones. They're like migraine level every single day. I was doing research, having impacted wisdom teeth, all four of these hoes are impacted. That can fuck up your sinuses. Like it pushes against your sinuses, whatever. But I've been having so many problems, you know, it's because of the wisdom teeth being impacted. It's been like a year that I've put it off since I found out they were impacted. And it's just been getting progressively worse to the point where like I can't actually function as a human until I get this sorted. So I'm just doing it. I'm gonna miss New Year's Eve, but I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I've lost so much time not being productive or being able to do anything. I know that once I get my sinus teeth, once I get my wisdom teeth removed, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna go back to not having headaches every single day. The whole point of that was that I'm losing so much time and I have no motivation to do anything because of like health issues. It's making it even worse. Like I'm already in a low mental state. So there have been so many lingering tasks and things that I just have seen around the house or things that have been on my to-do list for months and I'm just not taking care of them and they're annoying me. They're sitting in my head and they're clogging it. It's like carrying baggage around. So today I am dedicating the entire day to just doing every single task, not every single, I'm not gonna be soups ambitious, but I will be doing my best to get a lot of the tasks that have been lingering on my to-do list done today. So it's like a life admin day. This vlog is just going to be super realistic, super chaotic, but hopefully motivate you to do a little life admin day. Or you could put this on in the background while you do your life admin day, which is what I do when I watch Michelle's videos of her life admin day. I don't know what it is about them, they just make you feel productive. So I'm not gonna raw dog it. Let's actually look through my to-do list and write out the things that I wanna accomplish today. That makes the most sense. Just a dollop. Something that's been on the list for so long is to do this bad boy, to declutter my closet. But that, I know, that's a huge task. And I said I was gonna do all the decluttering and everything before the end of the year, but that didn't happen. So I am going to make little projects for January. Like one week I'm doing this, another week I'm doing this. Like the first week of January, I know I'm doing like a deep clean at my entire apartment. So like everything that I don't clean, all of my yearly cleaning tasks, I'm gonna do a vlog of that. And then I think the thing I'm gonna do after it is decluttering. So we'll attempt the closet. But the whole point of that is that I don't have anywhere to put my stuff because this has become my clean laundry pile. Not anymore, because Atticus lays on that and then I have to rewash things. This is full to the brim. I just don't have any more space in here. Yes, and then here's more laundry that I have to figure out. I don't have any more space in here. I don't even know what's in there. I never go in there to look at things, so I can have workout sets, I can have sweaters. I don't know. So that's gonna have to happen in the new year, but for now, we just need to make this okay because I can't keep looking at it. It's horrendous. Oh, also, yes, I did get a new camera, but I don't like the way that my face looks in it, and I don't like holding it like this because it's chunky. So that's for the stuff, and this is for my face. Let's put away laundry. I'm watching Sims videos because that's another thing that I want to tackle today is I'm making my own save file, which I already did before, but I didn't do it to the level that I want to do it. So I'm really going in on that. And I wanted to declutter like CC and clean up my mods folder, but I'll do that later when I sit down because I can do that on the computer. For now, let's put away some laundry. It's embedded in my brain at this point. Okay, you're wondering, why the fuck do you have a suitcase? Actually, I might not be wondering that because it is like Christmas time. Hey girl. How are you? You're gonna roll right on off that bed. I have a suitcase because it's Christmas in like a certain amount of days. I don't know. I put this on my close friends story, but I'll put it here because I don't have like real life men fucking following me. And if I do, that's your fault for coming here. But I had like a little lover in high school, and this was before like a lover. So it was like a pre-lover. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying by that? Do you get what I'm saying by that? Right? My phone had like given me a reminder, hey, reach out to blah, blah, blah. I don't know the exact words it says. It's like text blah, 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 because it was his birthday. And I was like, huh, it has never once told me that. So I was like, let me just happy birthday my way back into this bitch's life. Sure enough, I did do that. He's coming back for the holidays. And coincidentally, his dad lives near me, so I'm taking him out on Saturday. But anyway, I'm doing things on Saturday, and then I want to be able to leave like right quick Sunday morning to go see my mom, because I was originally supposed to go Saturday, but she was like, no bitch, you're not passing up this Hallmark movie opportunity. So I want to start getting my shit packed, because then immediately after that, coming back, getting my wisdom teeth out, just want to get everything sorted. So that's why the suitcase. I've been putting off switching my internet since I got the box. I don't remember when I did. Actually, this goes back all the way to when I first moved in here, like 2 years ago. I actually don't know the date. January like 6th. Oh my God. I've never lived anywhere this long. Wow. And it feels the fastest. That's crazy. Anyway, when I moved in here, I had an ugly box for the internet. Don't like it, don't love it. But I saw that you can go into the store and get the cute little petite white one. It's cute. I don't know. And I had it on my list. Never went. Never. But then they emailed me and they were like, we're switching to this thing. So here, order it and we'll send it to your house. And I was like, this is beautiful. This is perfect. I still haven't put it to, like, they did the work for me and I still haven't. So that's absolutely what we're doing right now. I hope it's cute. Actually, it is really cute. It's just as simple as it can be. I love it. Does it have to go in the closet? We'll figure this out. My other one's in the closet. I hate that because I feel like the internet's not that great because it's in the closet. And I shut this door because Sybil will pee on my bed. Set up your Wi-Fi. Just kidding, there's an app. God, I love the whole QR thing, except at a restaurant. At a restaurant, don't give me a QR code. Give me a fucking menu. I didn't even know there was an app. I love it. I have 11 devices. Oh my God. You can see who's connected. Get off. What is this? Oh my God, I don't know what these things are that are connected to my internet. How do I, and they're all on right now connected. That's, okay, so it's literally the easiest thing ever, but I'm gonna forget what it just said. I don't have a mesh extender. Why didn't they give me one? I would have done anything for it. Wait, why do I need a power cord? It's already in the wall. Find your power jack. What? What? Now, into this red one. Okay. As soon as you plug your router in, it will turn on while the router blah 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 blah. Solid blue green. 5 minutes. Now I don't know who those hoes are, but lucky number 11. Look at how cute. I ignore. Nobody talk about it. We'll deal with it later. I also do need to get myself a little manicure. I'm taking a little intermish to make pasta for lunch. Not my kale pasta. Just good old-fashioned red sauce pasta. I know. You're thinking, bitch, I thought you were trying to be healthier. Not today, sweetie. No, I'm trying to get out of a slump. I'm not trying to be healthier yet. That will happen after my wisdom teeth because I have to not eat like solid foods for a week. So I'm just gonna make red sauce pasta, little chickpea penne moment. I was gonna try to multitask and talk about today's sponsor, which is BetterHelp. I'm gonna do my best. Let's just get the water ready. Need some salt. Oh, look at this pantry, it's disgusting. That's on the list for the new year. Now I will talk about today's sponsor, which is BetterHelp. If you're not familiar, BetterHelp is an online therapy service, so they match you up with an online therapist, and you can do everything from the comfort of your home, which everybody loves, especially in terms of therapy, because I know that therapy can be daunting. It can give you a little bit of anxiety, especially having to go into an office, sitting there. Do it from the comfort of your home, and that is what BetterHelp is. You guys have heard me talk all year about doing therapy again, which I have done BetterHelp in the past, and that is a task that I have to do today is to book my therapy appointment. It's gonna be off in like January. You're not gonna do it until my wisdom teeth are done, but that is something that I want to prioritize in the new year. A problem that there is, well, especially with me, with my insurance, I feel like when you do regular traditional therapy in an office, it takes like 1,000,000 months just to get an appointment. That's not really convenient. That's not functional, babes. I think that therapy should be a part of your like hygiene routine. It's mental hygiene. I think everyone can benefit from therapy. It's really easy to get started with BetterHelp. You just go on their website. I'll have a link down below, and you fill out a quiz questionnaire, and then based on your answers to that, they will match you with a licensed therapist that is best fitting for your needs. Another great thing is if you don't vibe with a therapist, because you've heard me talk about this, it's like going on a first date when you meet a therapist. So much easier to switch therapists on BetterHelp because you just say switch and you can pick somebody new. Let's get the pasta for a quick second. All right, her. I always doctor my sauce a little bit, give it a little zest. Oh, I just saw 555 on my timer. If you have been thinking about going to therapy, if it's a New Year's resolution of yours, I don't like to say resolutions because you're not broken. It's a New Year's goal, just something you want to do. If you've been thinking about starting therapy, consider this your sign from the universe. I am the universe for you. Try it out for yourself. If you go to the link in the description, betterhelp.com/Siena, you can get 10% off your first month of therapy. There's no harm done, 10% off your first month. It's a sign from the universe. How are you going to reject that? Do you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna finish making my pasta. Give it a little zest of pepper. Look how pretty it looks though. I'm just gonna stop talking, okay. As much as I want to sit on my couch and do this, I feel like the best way to declutter SimCC would be on my desktop. So I'm gonna chunk just like maybe an hour or so to declutter SimCC, and I want to reorganize the folders too. So that's the thing, but I'm just gonna give it an hour for now, then move on to something else, and then potentially come back to it because it's not the main priority right now because my Sims videos are coming back after, well, they're going on my gaming channel, but they're coming back after my wisdom teeth surgery and like just after I've gotten situated, like after January, like beginning of February. So I really want to get everything sorted for that, but I have time to do all of this, so this isn't the main priority, but I just want to sit for now. So this is like my way of sitting. So I have a hard drive for like my Sims stuff, and because, you know, putting it on both computers, but that is so complicated and annoying. And I found out randomly I have a terabyte of storage on Google Drive. Had no clue, and I didn't know you could also get the app so it goes onto your desktop. So I'm just organizing and like creating a little system so that all of my mods and all of the backups and everything like that is just in that, like in the cloud. And then it's easy to access from both computers when I need to like update my mods folder, stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing right now before I clean out the CC.